In this video, I'll show you how to change the email on your Amazon account. If you love to change your Amazon account email address, open up your Amazon. What you need to do, click on this account. Wait for it to open up. You're going to see login and security. So once you click on that login and security, you're going to be able to verify your account that you're the one that is logging in. So what you need to do, you're going to get an OTP on your mail. So you're going to enter the OTP. Once I've entered it, a display is going to come out, a display that contains the important details you'll be needing to be able to make this work out well for good. This is what is going to come out. So once you have done what I told you to do previously, this option is going to come out. Click on the edit. So this is my current address, how to do. So if you want to add a new address, come on here and enter your new address. Once you are done, click on the continue. You're going to get an OTP as well to do the required verification. And once you're done, you can be able to change the email on your Amazon account. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.